Hello and welcome to this silver lining convergence tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to answer an incoming call on a Polycom VVX 450 phone and transfer the call to a contact number. When your phone rings, you'll see the caller's details on the screen. Pick up the handset or press the speaker button to answer hands-free. To transfer the call, press the transfer button, which will temporarily place the caller on hold. Enter the contact number you wish to transfer the call to using the keypad. Once you've entered the correct number, press send. The caller remains on hold while you connect with the intended recipient. You'll have the opportunity to speak privately with the individual you're transferring to and confirm with them that they're ready to take the call. When you're ready, hang up the handset. This final step completes the transfer, and the caller will be connected to the new recipient. If you have any further questions or need additional support, please don't hesitate to get in touch.